Hello chosen ones! In this video I'm going to show you how to use the stove in Witchspire. The stove is one of the structures in Witchspire dedicated entirely to cooking higher quality food, making it especially useful for preparing meals that provide better healing during combat. If you find yourself relying on food to stay alive in tougher fights, this structure is definitely worth unlocking. To get the stove, head into your luminaries. Near the upper section of the skill tree, you'll find the stove recipe on the right side. To unlock it, your hearth must be at level 7, and your cooking skill needs to reach level 10. Thankfully, the crafting cost for the stove is fairly cheap. You'll only need 10 clay bricks and 10 iron ingots to build it, so obtaining the structure itself isn't the hard part. However, there's one catch: simply placing the stove down isn't enough to use it. Like several advanced structures in the game, it requires a familiar to operate. For the stove, the familiar you need is called a sindel. Fortunately, I know a reliable place to find them. Head over to this location on the desert island, where you'll find sindels near the entrance of a smaller desert sub-area. They're relatively easy to spot once you reach the correct location. Since you'll need to bond with one before it can operate your stove, I highly recommend bringing spirit incense with you. This will improve your chances of successfully forming a bond, which can save you a lot of time since it may take several attempts before a spirit decides to linger. Once you've successfully bonded with a sindel, return to your base and assign it to the stove. After that, the structure will become fully operational, allowing you to start cooking better meals to support you throughout your journey. And that's everything you need to know about how to use the stove in Witchspire.